Good morning, students. Today again, we will discuss about problems on cost sheet of session 9. In this session also, we do try to solve some other problems on cost sheet. In that respect, the learning objective of this session again is to learn how to prepare a cost sheet, and the outcome of this session is to able you to understand how to prepare a cost sheet. In that respect, again, here is are some examples. Yeah, this is the another example. From the following particulars, prepare a cost sheet statement for the year 31st December 2019. Here are some particulars: stock of finished goods, stock of materials, raw materials, work in progress, purchase of raw materials, carriage inwards, wages, works manager's salary, factory rent, taxes and insurance, power expenses, selling and distribution expenses, depreciation, accountant salary, general expenses, income tax paid in advance. It won't come in the cost sheet. Payment of sales tax, it is also dividend paid. These three expenses will not come under sales, and goodwill written off. Goodwill written off is also will not included in the cost sheet. Yeah, while the format we followed, we need to add direct materials. For that, we need to add opening stock. He has given stock of raw materials, that is opening is 40,000, closing is 50,000. Like that, we need to add opening is 40, purchase of raw material is 4,75,000, carriage inwards he has given, that is 12,500. The total amount is 5,27,500. Among them, we need to deduct the less closing stock of raw materials, that is 50,000. Total materials consumed we are going to get is 4,77,500. For this, we need to add a direct wage of 1,75,000. Then we are going to get total amount of prime cost as 6,52,500. Factory overheads. After that, we need to add factory overhead. In factory overhead, works manager salary will come. Then factory rent and tax and insurance, power expenses, depreciation. The total amount is 86,750. For this, we need to add opening work in progress and less closing work in progress. Then we are going to get works cost. Then we need to add administrative overhead. In that, accountant salary, general expenses will come under, that is total amount of 52,000. For that, after that, we are adding this work cost and the total administrative overhead. The total amount is 7,96,250 is cost of production. For that, again, we need to add a opening stock of finished good and less the closing stock of finished good. Then after that, we are going to get cost of goods sold, that is 7,87,250. For this, we need to add selling and distribution overhead, that is, he has given selling and distribution overhead, he has given here 43,000. That 43,000 need to be added. Then we are going to get cost of sales. For this, we need to have the 86,000 is this total sales he has given. Here this total sales 8 lakhs 60,000 he has given. If we deduct 8,60,000 with the cost of sales, then we are going to get the difference amount as a profit. Why? Because sales amount is more than, sales amount is more than cost of sales. As I already told you that income tax paid in advance will not come under cost sheet. Again, the sales tax, dividend paid, and goodwill written off. These are all the four items will not be considered in the cost sheet. Why? Because these are all considered as purely financial charges. That is why we are not considering these expenses in cost sheet. This is the one simple example. Then the another, we move towards to the another exercise, that is the details as under drawing office salary, counting hours salary, carriage and cottage outwards, carriage and cottage purchase, bad debts, repairs on plant and machinery, rents and taxes, factory, office, sales, stock of materials, on 31st 12 2017, stock of material on 31st 12 2018. This is opening and this is closing. Materials purchased, traveling expenses, traveler's salary and commission, productive wages, depreciation on plant and machinery, depreciation on furniture will come under factory overheads, directors fees, then gas, water, that is factory, office, manager salary, general expenses. These are all the expenses he has given. Like that, one by one, we need to add direct materials. We need to add opening stock, add purchases, carriage on purchases, less closing, stock of raw materials. Then we need to add wages to the materials consumed. Then we are going to get prime cost. For that prime cost, we need to add all the factory overhead expenses. That is drawing, office salary, repairs to plant and machinery, rent, rates and taxes, depreciation on plants, machinery and tools, gas and water, manager's salary. These are all the total amount of 31,300 as a factory overhead. After adding this, we are going to get works cost. This work cost, we need to add office overhead, that is hourly salary, counting hourly salary, rent and rates and taxes, depreciation on furniture, director's fees, gas and water, which is related to the office, manager's salary, general expenses. Totally 30,100 we are going to get as administrative expenses. After adding this administrative expenses to the works cost, we are going to get cost of production of 3,95,550. Then we need to add selling and distribution overhead, that is carriage and cottage on outwards, bad debts, traveling expenses, traveler's salary and commission. Here we need to add the total. We are going to get cost of sales of 4,16,700. Then sales he has given 5,15,000. The difference amount between cost of sales and the sales is called difference amount in between these two is called 98,300 as a profit. These are all the some important references from where we choose some problems or exercises. Okay, in next to last session of the first module, we do discuss about some more problems or exercises. Okay, have a nice day.